You have an ugly roof. I do. See? Got black and gray and gross all over it. What can you do about that? Well, there's a few things. You could call somebody and spend a bunch of money to have them get up there and probably do what I'm about to show you. So, without further ado, we're going to show you how to clean your roof, and it doesn't cost very much at all. You probably have all the ingredients right at home now. So stay tuned. After I show you what it does, I'll show you what doesn't. A few tips and tricks while I'm taking a short break. One thing, don't ever walk on the area that you've treated until it's completely dry, because it's going to be very slippery. Also, make sure that you cover evenly and thoroughly. But if you look closely, you'll see that every now and then there's a spot that doesn't look like it came all the way clean. You just shoot a little extra on it and it'll get all the way clean. So them are some things to think about. Now, back up to the roof. Okay, there we are. I got that one section done. I left you a nice contrast. You can really see the difference between the side I did and the side I didn't that looks exactly like it used to. I'm telling you, less than a half an hour ago. It's really hot out here, but it is cloudy. There's a little bit of a breeze. And I'm glad you stuck it through to the end. So now you can see my secret formula and see what makes this work so well. Thanks for watching. Give me that thumbs up. Subscribe. Tell your friends. Post it on your social media, whatever you'd like to do. But thank you. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is it. This is the simple mixture that fixes it all. A little bit of laundry soap, some bleach, pool strength if you got it, and then a little bit of water. You spray it on your roof. It's really that simple. Now, you don't need a whole lot of this. You pour it in there just a little bit. You might be wondering what that does. Well, it helps hold the bleach on the roof a little longer so it doesn't just run away. And laundry detergent is much better than dish because it doesn't affect bleach's cleaning power. Now this is about 10%, really strong stuff. If you're using stuff from the store, you might not want to water it down. But I water mine down. About 50-50. It needs to be pretty strong to get the job done. If it isn't strong enough, spray a little more on it. And it'll take care of it. Now I'll just fill this up with water and we're done. One thing to keep in mind, if you have plants underneath the edge of the roof that it's going to be on and you don't have a gutter like I don't, you need to make sure that you either move those plants, cover those plants, or spray them with water before, during, and after the application. Otherwise, you might lose those plants. Okay, one thing you can do to extend the length of your beauty of your roof, right there, a good algicide, pool strength, not plant strength. Mix this up, about a quarter cup to a gallon and a half. Spray it on your roof after it dries when it's completely done, and it will prevent the mold and mildew from growing for a few years, depending on your climate, of course. And isn't that worth it? I think it is. You notice how the roof is cleaner below that metal pipe cover that's sticking out of the roof? Well, that's because copper washes out of that metal onto the roof every time it rains. And what that copper does is it prevents algae from growing. So I got a little bit of touch-ups left to do, and as you can see, it's hot. It's summertime here in Illinois, or Florida. I used to live in Illinois. But it's doing the job. I have a few touch-ups to do. A couple spots I don't think I got it on thick enough, but that roof is going to look like a new one after a good rain, or if I get up there and spray it off with the hose. Here we are after a few days and a couple of good rains. You can see just how nice it looks. So there you go. That's how you get your roof looking like new.